Noom Diabetes and Weight Loss App Pricing explained what you get for your money. Noom isn't just another diet app, it's a psychology-based health platform designed to change the way you think about food. But with subscription fees that range from per month to per year, what exactly are you getting for your money? Noom's diabetes and weight loss programs both use cognitive behavioral therapy to help you build long-term habits. Most people get this wrong. They think Noom is just about calorie tracking. But it's actually about mindset, teaching you how to understand triggers, cravings, and behaviors that lead to unhealthy eating. When you sign up, you take a short quiz that tailors your plan to your goals and medical profile. You'll then get daily lessons, interactive quizzes, and feedback from human coaches who guide you through your progress. For diabetes management, Noom includes blood sugar education, carbohydrate tracking, and personalized insights to help stabilize glucose levels while promoting weight loss. The app also offers a color-coded food system: green, yellow, and red, to make nutrition choices simple without being restrictive. So, what do you get for your money? A blend of education, accountability, and behavioral change tools that go far beyond traditional calorie apps. If you're serious about not just losing weight, but transforming your relationship with food and improving long-term health, Noom gives you the framework and support to make that change stick.